Yeah, hey everyone. I just wanted to make this short video to demonstrate how you can resolve PKIX errors when connecting to Microsoft SQL Server using the database connector. I will show you what that error might look like. As you can see here, PKIX path building failed, caused by driver could not establish a secure connection to SQL Server using the secure sockets layer encryption. The most common means of getting past this error is simply by adding an additional option down here. So you'll add a semicolon and then add trust server certificate equals true. And now after adding that, we should see the connection succeed. There it is. Thank you for watching.